number 27 in section 5.5. We've been asked to divide these two expressions. Now, since I have a binomial in the bottom, I can't just use the divide and conquer method. I'm going to have to use long division. The only time you can get out of using long division in a case like this is if you can factor both numerator and denominator. In this case, I can't factor the numerator. You can try if you want, but you can't. Then I'm going to have to use long division. So, m minus 3 divided into m to the third minus 2m squared. Now, I'm missing the m to the 1 term. I'm going to fill it in. 0m. So this is really just 0. The reason I'm putting it in there is because I need the placeholder. Because when I get my quotient, my answer up here, that's going to factor in. It's a step. So I don't want to forget it. It's like when you have it's like say you have 1,003. You've got those two placeholders between the 1 and the 3, but it tells you that space is missing. You need that in division. In this case, you can usually leave it out of something like this. For division, you need to put it back in. So I'm going to start, I'm looking at this m, I just look at the leading term, and this, and I'm looking for what do I need to times m by to get m to the third? Well, I need 2 more m's. I need m squared. So m squared. So m squared, this gives me m to the 3, and then here m squared times the negative 3, I've got negative 3m squared. Now remember, you're subtracting these. So that means these two cancel out. And here I have these two negatives. This makes this an actual positive, and this is m squared. Be very, very careful here. Remember, you're subtracting, and that means the sign carries. I always write in the parentheses so I remember to distribute. Now, just like in regular long division, I'm going to bring down the next term, 0m. Now, I need an m squared. What times m will give me m squared? An m, right? So, plus m. M times m squared, minus 3m. Remember to do both. Subtract. These cancel out as I wanted. Remember this. These two signs are going to 3m. Bring down the negative 9. Now here, what times m will give me 3m? I need a 3. So, plus 3. 3 times m, 3m. 3 times negative 3, negative 9. Subtract these. These cancel out. These cancel out. 0. That means I have no remainder. So the answer is m squared plus m plus 3.